Man is made for work. It is said that an idle brain is a devil's workshop. An idle man always thinks one mischief or the other, not according to himself but a possible danger to the society. Greetings to one and all. I am Shivani Sandikar from class 11, preparing for NDA entrance examination from Rashtramatha Jizav Defence Academy, Chinswad, Pune, standing before you to give a speech on a very critical issue, unemployment. Unemployment is a major obstacle in a developing country like India. Unemployment is a major issue in India since years due to lack of education, lack of performance, lack of opportunities, etc. There are many factors related to unemployment. First and foremost, India's unemployment is due to its overpopulation. With the rapid population, India's employment rate has decreased. Secondly, due to the seasonal unemployment. As we all know, the major part of India is engaged in the agricultural sector, which is a seasonal unemployment, and they are left unemployed for the rest of the year. There are many problems occurring due to unemployment, such as fall in cottage industries, increase in crime rates, increase in suicide attempts, poor standard of living, and so on. Unemployment does not only affect the social and economic growth of the society, but also have several negative impacts on the individual and the society as a whole. The government of India has launched so many programs, but unluckily have not achieved the success yet. Secondly, the government of India has always been focusing on the theoretical aspect. Rather than only focusing on the theoretical aspect, the government should also train an individual and make them a skilled manpower. I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.